Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we will not be showing you how to create your own website, but what you need to create one. This is like a mini checklist for what you need to think about before spending time and money on a website. Now let's look at some of the things you will need. First, you need to think of an idea. To create a successful website, you need a vision and a business idea, whether it be a blog, an online store, or anything else you can think of. Now to start it off, we're going to get into more technical terms. You need to decide what your domain name is going to be. Domain name is an address which people to type into the search bar to get to your website. The most notable ones are Amazon.com and Google.com. You have a choice of hundreds of TDLs, which is the part which comes after the name bit. So for instance, TDL in Google.com is .com, and the same for anything like that. The thing after the dot is the TDL. To see a full list of what you can choose from, go to the domain provider, e.g. Namecheap or GoDaddy, and have a look at what they have to offer. Before buying one, check with your hosting because sometimes they offer a free one with some of their plans. Now this leads me on nicely to hosting. Hosting is actually where you put your website and what the domain is attached to. Without the hosting, you couldn't have a website. Each hosting is very different, but the one we will be using in this video is Namecheap's Stellar plan. We chose this because it feels like a cheap, yet it offers loads of premium features like 33 business email accounts. We have linked this in the description of this video if you want to follow exactly what we do throughout these tutorials. Now we're going to get into something a bit more simpler. To be able to edit your website with ease, you need a moderately good computer. If you don't have one now, just go into rocktailoredpcs.com. They have amazing prices starting from $269.99, and all of their computers will easily be able to handle website design. Now that you have a computer, you will need some software to edit your website with. We're going to use FileZilla, which is an FTP client, which is where you put your website files on and send them off to your website, and Notepad++, which is a HTML code editor, because of their easy to use and understand designs. And that is all the key pieces of software and hardware you will need to buy and use to ensure your website will be up and running in no time. Hopefully you find this guide helpful, and if you did, drop a like and subscribe to this video, because it would help me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll actually start to create the website.